starting off with an already iced and chilled cake. So this is nice and cold to the touch, and then we're gonna start adding our flowers.
We have some leftover Swiss Meringue Buttercream, and we're gonna be using this to create our daisies. We're gonna color our petals in the color peach, and we're using an oil-based color. Add a few drops. And we have a nice pastel peach color. We're gonna do the same for the center. We're gonna do a pastel yellow.
Just transfer buttercream to our bag, and then we're gonna start our design. And now we're ready to create our buttercream daisies. This is gonna be an all buttercream cake design, and we're gonna start with our petals.
Each daisy is going to have about 6 petals, and we're just gonna scatter our daisies throughout the cake. So you wanna apply pressure, release. You wanna kind of flatten it out as you release. We have all of our daisies placed. We're gonna go ahead and start adding the centers. So you wanna just apply pressure and release. You wanna do that for the rest of your flowers. Now I'm just gonna take a look around my cake, and if I see any open spaces where I wanna add a flower, I might add one right here. I'm gonna add one right here. Here's the final product. This is an all buttercream, beginner friendly, simple and easy cake design.
We hope you enjoyed today's cake design video. If you're searching for a buttercream that is easy to work with, I highly recommend our Swiss Meringue Buttercream recipe, and we have that link for you in the caption below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.